Before coming to VIKOR, I was a stay-at-home mom for like 23 years. And after the children grew up, I decided I would try part-time work. And I noticed an ad in the paper for a position at Sioux Falls Tower. So I just sent in my resume, and Emily called me, and we met at Minerva's, and the rest is history. We were a small office. Emily and I were the only two in the office. And as new things arose in the business as it was growing, it meant more work to be done. And so therefore, we just started dividing up responsibilities, and the workload just got a little bit more and more and more until I am where I'm at today. There's a lot of memorable experiences that I've had in the last 22 years. When I started, we were in this little building that had a garage and a tiny little office. And Emily and I sat in the reception area, and our chairs hit each other in the back because it was so tight and so small. A number of years later, we are now at a bigger building, and obviously we're outgrowing this building. So the growth has been phenomenal. What I'll miss the most about working here is having my morning chats with Emily when we arrive and we visit for a few minutes. But really, I'll miss the people that I have been blessed to work with and their personalities. And I have really gained a lot by working here for the last 22 years and interacting with so many good people. And I feel like it's really blessed my life enormously. I'm looking forward to going on a mission with my husband for our church at some point in the next year, and just also being close to where our grandchildren are so that we get to have more time with the grandchildren. Well, a couple suggestions I would give to those who would be applying or working here at VIKOR would be just to come in and do your very best. And if you work hard, you will be rewarded for the work you do. The owners here, Craig and Bart, are very generous. They know when you are a hard worker, and I am grateful for them and all the blessings that have come into my life because of them.